Chef, and today we will be making these lovely tofu fingers. Are you ready? You can cook! The ingredients for this recipe are extra firm tofu, a mix which the ingredients will be listed on the screen, any vegetable milk of your choice, and a baking tray. Let's get started. First, cut the tofu into thick, not too thick but not too thin slices. About this. I'm going to make a couple here. There. And now we're going to dip them in this almond milk. Make sure you get it all over the tofu. Then we're going to cover it in this mix. There. And we're placing the baking tray. Once again, make sure you get all over the tofu. And the mix all over it. Now we will drizzle some vegetable oil on these so that they don't stick. And then we'll put them in the oven.